Brett Nelson here with EastIdahoNews.com. I'm standing inside the newly renovated Bonneville Hotel. They just finished the ribbon cutting festivities and the ceremony. So now we're gonna take a walk through and I'm gonna show you the finished product. So this is right as you walk through the front door on the bottom level. This is all obviously, I mean it's finished, but this is going to all be retail space. There's 5,000 square feet of space on this level. Randy Waters with SB High Deserts and Century 21 Commercial has worked with a few people to try and get some tenants established, but there's nothing final. So this is just the finished product, but there will be tenants moving in here at a later date.
Well, the reason I like it is it's in the hanger.
This is downtown back in the day. You get a view of the street. We're on the top floor. This is the basement level now. This is kind of a common area.
I didn't know you could do that at the laundromat.
And here we have the laundry room. And this is just kind of a play area for kids.